I like you. I love you. What's her name? Okay, she can't have two names. What's her daggone name? Her name ain't Tones and I. She got two names. How she get two names? Tones and I? Well, both of y'all. I like both of y'all. I love both of you.
Your moves, you lose, now your heart you gave me. New moves, more dudes, now the top you made me. Same rules, new crews, now the clutch you made me.
Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome back. I'm Van, and we are all the LFR family. We about to get busy with some Tones and I. And the name of this joint is Dance Smoking Live Jack. Live Jack. Oh, Jack. That's what it is, live. It's not live, Jack. It's just live. And shout out to my man Craig and Brandon, LFR Jesus, for telling me to check this joint out. I appreciate y'all. They are both from my Patreon. All right, guys, so let's go and check this joint out. Tones and I, Dance Monkey. Dance Monkey. I don't know how I feel about a song called Dance Monkey. You know what I mean? But, you know, let's check it out.
And I said to my friends, I was like, I'm going to play here one day.
She looks so cool, man.
And now I'm fucking here.
I love that voice. I'm fucking here. I like how she said, I'm fucking here. Okay, let's go.
And now I'm fucking here. You guys, there's a lot of bullshit happening in the world right now. I'm not going to talk about that. All I'm going to say is, you guys are the exception. Just love and be loved, be happy.
I like her. I like you. I love you. What's her name? Okay, she can't have two names. What's her daggone name? Her name ain't Tones and I. She got two names. How she get two names? Tones and I? Well, both of y'all. I like both of y'all. I love both of you. You're sweet.
This song is called Dance Monkey. They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hands, my dear.
I did not expect for her to sound like that, bruh. I said, oh my God, I love the way you shine. Okay. She got it. Okay.
The way you shine.
You hear that?
Take your hands, my dear, and place them both in mine.
Come on now, lady.
You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I'm back to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every night. And on my I like your style. Ooh.
Go ahead, lady. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. This is nice. All right, let's do it.
And on my I like your style. Ooh, you make me wanna cry. And now I'm back to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey.
Yeah, come on now.
And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. They say, oh my God, I see you walking by.
Huh?
Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. But you just beg to see me dance just one more time.
You can tell she's serious too, man. Does she got on socks? Or she got those shoes? What are those? These dang on. I can't see through the glasses nor the fur. My God, that's on. God damn it. Okay, hold on. Okay, those are socks. I think they socks, right? If I'm not mistaken, man, I think they socks. Are they socks? They look like socks, guys. Are those socks? Please, I think they socks. I don't know. They look like socks to me. All right.
But you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every night.
Go ahead.
And on my I like your style. Ooh, you make me wanna cry. Now I'm begging to see you dance just one more time. So
I love her voice, man. Her voice, her attitude, her groove, her bop. She got soul, man. And she juicy. So you already know she can cook. You know what I mean?
They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey.
Hey.
And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again.
She started laughing while she was
They
singing.
say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, 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 oh. Never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. When you're done, I'll make you do it all again.
She's slick.
Get down.
Hey, lady. She's so damn slick. She is so damn cool, bruh. Hold up. She made everybody get down. When she laid down, I can't lay down on the chair, but when she laid down like that, she made everybody get down like that. And then when it was time to jump up, people was on each other's necks, looking tall, man, bouncing for her energy, man. She is transferring that energy from herself to the crowd and from the crowd to herself. So it's like a continuous circulation of positive energy, man, that's keeping all of this going on, that's able to entertain us and give us the spirit of God in her music. Tones and I, Dance Monkey Live, probably saying more lives than the church. That's how I feel about it. Y'all let me know how y'all feel. I think it saves lives, bro. I think it saves lives, bro. They have a ball too. Go lady, go big lady. Go lady. Hey.
When you're done, I'll make you do it all again. All again.
What's the circle for? Rock Nation? What's your Rock Nation? Oh, that's a heart. Is that a circle or a heart? Oh, she's making a heart. Okay. She's gonna make a circle. That's a heart, huh? That joint was lit, man. Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me. Oh, my God damn it. Oh, I'm doing it again. Oh. See that? That's how it's supposed to work, man. Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me. Oh. And then you go. Subscribe, guys. Like, comment, all that stuff. I love y'all. Y'all are amazing. Keep kicking butt. Keep your head up. 2021. This is your year, right? Love you. Peace. Oh, and follow us on Patreon. So you can personally thank LFR, Jesus, and Craig for this one. Peace.